Good snowy Tuesday morning. Thanks for stopping by Garden State Weather and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, your source for weather information for the northern mid-Atlantic 24 hours a day. I'm your forecaster, Robert Smith, and this is the winter storm video forecast discussion for Tuesday, the 17th of December 2013. And if you remember, last Tuesday we had snow falling at this time too. Well, I certainly hope that this isn't going to be a trend to have snow every Tuesday morning, but we'll see about that. Temperatures this morning waking up on the chilly side. We have snow falling with temperatures in the single digits to low and mid-teens across Sussex and Warren County, parts of Morris County, northern Bergen and Passaic County too. Also parts of Hudson County and Union County too. Temperatures in the mid-20s just about everywhere else to a right around 30 around the immediate coast, mid and upper 30s as you head further south right along the immediate southern New Jersey coastline. And we do have those some craft advisories along the coast until 6 o'clock on Wednesday. This is for the late tonight into tomorrow morning when the winds shift around to the west northwest after the cold front comes through and the seas and winds a little choppy there. Interior sections, we have winter weather advisories in various regions from the Hudson Valley into Connecticut until 4 and 6 p.m. this evening. Across northwestern New Jersey until 3 o'clock this afternoon. The New York City metropolitan area until 4. Parts of northern Long Island until 6 p.m. this evening. Nothing really on the South Shore. We have winter weather advisories for the snow until 4 o'clock this afternoon for parts of eastern Pennsylvania and also for central New Jersey and coastal New Jersey up to about the lower parts of Ocean County, and then we have nothing for the Delmarva and southern counties of New Jersey. Philadelphia, you're in a winter weather advisory until 4 this afternoon as well. First burst just came in hard and fast. It's exiting coastal New Jersey now into New York City, the lower Hudson Valley area into southeastern Connecticut, also out towards Islip and Brookhaven, out into the ocean. This is the first warm air advective band. There's another band of precipitation. There's obviously a lull between the two, and we'll have another one as this Vortex currently over the Ohio Valley joins forces with the warm front and races to the east. We should find more lifting in this region and enhancement to the snow. For the aviational deck today, we have MVFR to IFR conditions with the snow that's coming down across the route from New York City and JFK all the way in the Hudson Valley and all the way down to Philadelphia. VFR conditions on tap for late tonight after the second snow burst here in central and southern New Jersey. VFR conditions tomorrow right through the next couple of days. But right now, we've got light snow falling in Linden Airport. We also have light snow here across the New York City metro area. Newark this morning, 25 degrees, and we have overcast conditions at 3,500 feet, light snow and fog visibility being reduced to 2 miles in that. We'll find some light snow throughout early this afternoon, and then just a chance of a isolated snow shower in the vicinity late this afternoon. And then tonight, some scattered clouds broken at 10,000 feet overnight into tomorrow morning with a strong wind coming in out of the northwest, but dying down to about 10 knots with the visibilities better than 10 miles. Out here on Long Island this morning, light snow at Farmingdale. Temperature is 24 degrees. We also have some light snow here at Islip this hour with the visibility at 2 miles. Now, getting down to Philadelphia this morning, we have 26 degrees. Visibility is fair. Visibility 10 miles. Broken overcast conditions. No snow is falling there. It's between the lull there. We're going to see some snow showers in the vicinity in just a little while, and some light rain showers after about 10 o'clock this morning. And then just a better visibilities improving during the afternoon hours, but overcast conditions at 1,500 feet. Overcast later at 6,000. Wind shift to the northwest at 5 knots late tonight. And tomorrow, westerly winds at about 11 to 14 knots. They'll be a little choppy with some broken ceilings. And then later in the afternoon or late tomorrow morning into early tomorrow afternoon, just a few clouds at around 10,000 feet with very improving conditions and VFR conditions. Morning surface chart from weatheroanoak.com and Digital Atmosphere Software shows the wave of low pressure developing off the Jersey coast eventually during the next couple of hours. Pressure falls here right along this warm front this morning from the mesoscale analysis. Low pressure also over the Ohio River Valley. Two distinct areas of precipitation. The first burst of warm air advective snow is rapidly exiting the region into the Hudson Valley, into New York City and Long Island, where it's snowing pretty moderate to heavy at times outside, with the visibilities being reduced. And a second batch of warm air advection here just south of the warm front. This will move east and be reinforced with more light snow across the region after 11 o'clock this morning, changing probably to very light rain right along the immediate south coast areas of New Jersey, and then from Trenton south and west towards Philadelphia, probably just light rain showers mixing with some light snow showers as well. This cold front will race through during tonight with clearing conditions during tomorrow morning. And as of this broadcast at 7:15 this morning, LaGuardia is now coming in with about an hour and 19 minutes of arriving delays here due to the weather and snow and ice management. No other delays. GFS maps into motion. Here comes our warm front and surface low with a clipper storm producing some light snow bursts this morning, then another burst during this afternoon, changing the rain from around, let's say, Middle Ocean County, maybe even parts further north towards Monmouth County south. And interior sections anywhere from 2 to 5 inches of snow. Northwestern New Jersey, that's west of 287, north of I-78, obviously. There, even I-78 could see a little less snow than that. Out into the Poconos in northwestern New Jersey, the Hudson Valley, Connecticut, generally a 2 to 4 inch swath of snow throughout much of the region. A second batch coming in later tonight as a surface wave moves off the New Jersey coast into southern New England. Here comes the second batch drying out. And then a west to northwest wind tomorrow as high pressure begins to build across the south and then eventually moves towards and off the mid-Atlantic coast states during Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. A cold front will be approaching from the west on over the weekend with a wave of low pressure developing along it and across the Great Lakes, and this will spread the chance for some showery weather as we get through Saturday. And not every place is going to see widespread rain, but there's going to be a big warm-up in temperatures running from the upper 40s into the mid-50s, and we could even approach 60 or over in a few spots on Saturday and especially Sunday. Right now, Saturday afternoon is looking fairly dry. Toward the evening, though, more showers as a surface wave develops in the southeastern states and races up the Ohio River Valley. We remain on the warm side with temperatures in the 50s to around 60, and snow melt and rain coming in could equal some flood problems. We'll pay attention to that. Cold front comes through early on Monday morning, followed by relatively benign weather with high pressure in control and a relatively normal atmosphere. Nothing really to talk about. Clipper type system again, low pressure across the Great Lakes drags another cold front through probably right after Christmas. So Christmas is looking dry at this point. So be careful out there today driving, and we'll be back bright and early with you again on Wednesday morning. For GardenStateWeather.com and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, I'm forecaster Robert Smith. Be safe and happy Tuesday.